When to change your insurance provider. Best practices. Switching insurance providers is a significant decision, but it's often necessary to ensure you're getting the coverage you need at the most competitive price. Many customers remain with an insurance company out of habit or fear of the unknown, but staying in an unsuitable policy could cost you in both time and money. This informative video is designed to empower dissatisfied customers with the knowledge and tools they need to recognize when to move on and how to do so effectively. Here's everything you need to know. Choosing the right insurance provider is not just about saving money, it's about peace of mind. When you're faced with inconvenience, poor service, or rising costs without benefits, it's a clear signal you may need to explore other options. Insurance should provide confidence that you are protected, not frustration from subpar support or financial strain. By evaluating your provider periodically, you ensure you're not settling for less than you deserve in terms of both care and cost. Sometimes it's obvious when it's time to switch insurance providers, but other times the signs may be more subtle. Here are key red flags to look for. Your premiums have increased significantly, yet your coverage hasn't improved. You face delays or difficulties when processing claims. Customer service is unresponsive or lacking in transparency. Your provider offers inadequate communication, particularly during crucial points like renewal or claims adjustments. If any of these issues resonate with you, they are clear indicators that your current provider may not have your best interests at heart. Your insurance needs aren't static, they change as your life evolves. Major milestones, like buying a house, starting a new business, getting married, or welcoming children, often require adjustments in coverage. If your current insurer isn't adapting to these changes or leaves gaps in protection, it's time to explore other options. For instance, a growing family might require enhanced health, life, or home insurance policies. Similarly, purchasing a new vehicle or upgrading your home might call for more comprehensive auto or property coverage. Life events like these can make your current insurance feel outdated, making a switch a smart move. One of the most important reasons to change providers is discovering that your current policy leaves you underinsured or overpaying for unnecessary extras. Pay attention to gaps like exclusions for significant risks, lack of coverage tailored to your personal situation, or inadequate compensation limits. Missing add-ons like accident forgiveness, flexible payment schedules, or roadside assistance could also mean you're not getting the value you deserve. If you've been with the same provider for years, it's time to build an annual review into your financial planning. Many customers overlook this critical step, leaving them unaware of better options on the market. Reviewing policies annually, or during notable life events, helps you remain aligned with the best coverage and pricing for your current needs. Additionally, some insurers offer competitive rates to attract new customers, meaning you might be paying more simply due to loyalty. Shopping around is not about disloyalty, but ensuring your policy maximizes your financial security. When shopping for a new insurance company, compare not only the cost of premiums, but also the variety and quality of their coverage options. Begin by reviewing multiple options to find a fit that supports both your financial and personal goals. Keep these 3 core factors in mind. Policy coverage. Focus on how well the insurance addresses the risks you're most likely to encounter. Customer feedback. Check reviews to ensure the company has a reputation for excellent service. Added benefits. Evaluate features such as bundling discounts, accident waivers, or flexible payment structures. Modern tools like comparison websites and apps can help you gather multiple quotes quickly and efficiently. Once you've gathered your options, a detailed side-by-side comparison is essential. Here's what to look for in a new policy. Detailed policy limits. Ensure the coverage amount adequately protects your assets without hidden limitations. Coverage exclusions. Be mindful of risks that may not be covered under a particular policy. Customer service transparency. Look for straight answers to questions about claims, fees, or coverage when speaking to representatives. One top tip is to think beyond the bottom line price. A cheaper policy isn't necessarily better if it cuts corners on essential coverage or offers poor customer service. The timing of your switch can impact its effectiveness. It's generally wise to shop around or consider switching during your annual renewal period. If a pressing issue arises, like unexplained premium hikes or unacceptable service quality, don't hesitate to act sooner. Disregard loyalty if staying costs you more than leaving. Additionally, major life events such as moving homes or reaching new career goals serve as excellent checkpoints to reassess your insurance needs. Before changing, always review your current provider's cancellation policy. Many insurers have specific procedures for ending policies, which may include penalties or early termination fees. Knowing these terms can help you avoid unnecessary costs. If there's unused premium balance due, confirm refund timelines for smooth financial management during the transition. One of the most critical aspects of switching is ensuring there's no lapse in coverage. Lapses can leave you financially vulnerable or even result in legal consequences, depending on your jurisdiction. Always initiate your new policy before terminating the old one. Double-check active coverage dates and maintain constant communication with both insurers throughout the process. When switching providers, it's crucial to engage in open, direct conversations. Important questions to ask include: what unique benefits do you offer compared to competitors? How does your claims process work and how long does it take? Can you provide guarantees regarding customer satisfaction? These inquiries don't just help you assess the new company on paper, they reveal the level of service and transparency you can expect. To protect yourself legally and financially, always request proof of your new policy before canceling your current one. Documentation ensures no ambiguity regarding coverage start dates and verifies that you have valid insurance during the transition. Many insurers offer discounts when customers purchase multiple policies, such as home, auto, or life insurance. If bundling can reduce your overall premium while combining your policies under one provider, take advantage of this opportunity. It simplifies management and enhances cost-effectiveness, making it one of the best practices when switching providers. You should request a copy of your claims history and submit it to your new provider during the transition. This document not only ensures you're accurately quoted, but also helps highlight your responsible behavior, which may lead to lower premiums. Your insurance provider should meet high standards of transparency. Demand clear explanations for fees, exclusions, and conditions hidden in fine print. Make insurers aware that detailed information matters to you as a customer. This keeps them accountable for providing a straightforward experience. Switching providers should never be based solely on frustration or anger following one negative experience. While dissatisfaction is valid, focus on factual issues like cost, coverage adequacy, and consistency. Emotional decisions often result in rushed transitions without proper research, so remain objective throughout the process. Before deciding to leave, consider giving your existing insurer a chance to retain your business. Sometimes, simply discussing unmet expectations, like pricing or service concerns, can lead to better solutions. When presenting competitive quotes from other insurers, your provider might offer rate adjustments or exclusive benefits to maintain your loyalty. Ultimately, making the switch can significantly improve your financial well-being. A thoughtfully chosen insurance provider will not only save you money through better premiums, but also enhance your overall coverage. Greater peace of mind stems from knowing you're protected more comprehensively, without overpaying. Before finalizing your choice, explore online reviews and seek recommendations from trusted sources. Read testimonials about other customers' experiences to avoid companies with a history of poor performance. A few hours of research can save you years of regret by steering you toward reputable providers. If the process of switching feels overwhelming, don't hesitate to seek professional guidance. Independent insurance brokers can provide tailored advice, and state insurance departments often offer free resources to aid customers in their search for better coverage. 2 persistent myths can hold customers back from switching. The first is the belief that switching is difficult or comes with heavy financial penalties. The reality is most transitions are smooth, and penalties can often be easily avoided with clear timing. The second myth is that longer relationships with a provider automatically guarantee loyalty discounts or better service. This is not always the case. Digital tools and apps can simplify the comparison process. Many tools now offer automated quotes based on your current policies, making it easier to gather accurate insights about your best options. These platforms also allow you to manage paperwork electronically for convenience. Be mindful of local insurance regulations during the switching process. Some jurisdictions require active coverage for specific assets, like vehicles, at all times. Switching providers improperly could leave you non-compliant. Work with your new insurer to meet any legal standards in place. Once the switch is finalized, let relevant stakeholders know about the change. Insurance information linked to loan contracts or financial agreements often needs updates to ensure compliance. Inform relevant institutions or individuals promptly to avoid complications. While affordability is important, prioritizing comprehensive protection should always be the guiding principle. Finding the right insurance is about balancing economic value and peace of mind. Having an insurer you trust can make all the difference in how you handle unexpected events. Switching insurance providers is not just about finding a cheaper option. It's about aligning your coverage with your evolving needs and safeguarding your financial security. As a dissatisfied customer, you deserve excellent service and value from your insurer. Use this guide to make informed decisions and take control of your insurance future with confidence.